Today I'm going to be trying the Mayfair Golds, I think. But today we're going to be out like in nature, so yeah. Let's get this cigarette started. I don't really have like Mayfairs and stuff. I usually stick to B&H, but obviously I review cigarettes, so I'm gonna be reviewing more kinds of cigarettes. Also, I apologise for like the position of the camera. I'm currently using my laptop to record because I do not have a camera, so I just don't want no one to see me because they'll be like, yo, what you doing? So yeah, as I said, as the time goes on, I'm going to be reviewing more cigarettes, more tobacco, like kind of products. I might do vapes. I don't really vape. I don't really like vapes, but I'll consider it. I hope you guys will start enjoying the content. I'll be posting more and stuff, more outdoors, I guess. Oh, I can't lie, the cigarette's kicking my ass right now. Need to get my water. If you guys want me to review anything, if you're from the UK, USA, whatever, I'll try and get, I don't know, I'll try and see if I can get US cigarettes or whatever, if I can. Like order online or something. Again, I apologise for the way the camera's set up, you know. And I think this cigarette, I'll say it's about done. Oh, there's a van there. This cigarette is about done, so I'm gonna go put it out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.